How to use Gemini for language translation. Well, hello everybody, welcome back in with the channel. In this video today, let me guide you through the steps on how you can use Gemini for language translation. Well, simply head into gemini.google.com, or you can open up the Gemini application and you want to proceed to start up a new chat. Once you open up the new chat, what you can do is here. Now, as you can see, I'm here on the new chat. I'll open up new chat from the left hand side. Then you can ask it, translate this text to this particular language. So suppose to English language or to Chinese, right? So I'll ask Chinese, right? Then once you enter it, it'll ask you to provide the text. So now you can either paste in the text, you can provide the photos, upload the files or documents. If you have in any language, then you want to provide it. Make sure the picture is clear if you're providing the picture, and then you want to give it your prompt and it'll translate for you. So it's pretty simple. You can also use the voice feature. If you're using the app, you can see you can use microphone and you can ask it to translate as well. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.